first question. So this questions related to AAPMT. So listen properly. If the dimensions of critical velocity, VC, what is critical velocity? Already discussed about this in fluids. Okay, of a liquid flowing through a tube are expressed as eta or x, p power rho power y, r power z, where eta, rho and r are coefficient of viscosity of liquid and density of liquid and radius. So eta means coefficient of viscosity, rho means a density, r means a radius respectively. Then the value of x, y and z are given by. Okay. What is the formula? Remember or not? Remember? Okay. First. So according to principle of homogeneity, okay, or by dimensional applications of dimensional analysis. So here we see one quantity, it is depends upon these quantities. Clear? Q proportional to Q1 power A, Q2 power B, Q3 power C, like this. So here we can write Vc is equal to R proportional to eta power x, rho power y, r power z. So Vc is equal to, we must add one constant elevator. So that is called a dimensional constant. Vc is equal to eta power x, rho power y, r power z. Okay. So first we should be write the dimensional formula for critical velocity, and eta and rho and r. After writing this dimensional formula, we must compare powers. Only we get write the values for x, y and z. Okay. Okay. What do you mean by Vc critical velocity, or just simply keep in your mind velocity? Okay. Formula: velocity means displacement time, no? So LT for minus 1. At the same time, how do you write the dimensional formula for eta? Remember, what is meant by eta? Coefficient of viscosity. Already discussed about this in fluids. Basic formula: F is equal to A dV by dx. Clear? Or F proportional to A dV by dx, or F is equal to eta A dV by dx. Okay, what is meant by F here? Viscous force. Okay, eta coefficient of viscosity, area, dV by dx. This is called a velocity gradient. Clear? So from this, eta is equal to dx by dV and F by A. So eta is equal to F dx by dV by A, or eta is equal to F by A dx by dV. What is F? Force now. That means per unit kilogram meter per second square by A area meter square, dx like a displacement, so meter, velocity meter per second. Clear? So here kilogram meter square is for minus 2 by m power 3 s power minus 1. From this, kilogram m power minus 1 s power minus 1. Clear? So from this unit you can write the unit for eta, that is coefficient of viscosity, kilogram m power minus 1 s power minus 1. So dimensional formula for this, m L power minus 1 t power minus 1. Okay, then for rho means the density, no? So density means mass by volume, so kilogram per meter cube, so mass L power minus 3. This is the dimensional formula for density. And R means radius of the tube, no? Radius of the tube, so like length, therefore R is equal to like length L. So eta, dimensional form of eta, okay, for density, okay, okay, applying these values in this formula, okay, and also VC, therefore VC is equal to eta power x, rho power y, r power z. For VC, L t power minus 1. For eta, m L power minus 1, t power minus 1. For rho, m L power minus 3. For r, L x power y power z. Okay, then r, here we can write for L t power minus 1, m power 0 L t power minus 1, because of anything power 0 is equal to 1. Now m power x L power minus x t power minus x, and m power y L power minus 3y and L power z. Okay, now m power 0 L t power minus 1, m and m, so m power x plus y, okay. L here on L, so L power minus x minus 3y plus z, t, that's all, minus x. Okay, only one t. Now listen properly, very very important this. Now here comparing the powers of MLT on same method, same way, similar way on both sides. So okay, is equal to 0 or first we can find out x value, clear? Minus 1 is equal to minus x. I am correct or not? Minus minus cancel, so x is equal to 1, clear? And x plus y is 0, no? So 0 is equal to x plus y, so 0 1 plus y, so y is equal to minus 1, clear? And t values, t completed, no problem. L here, so L power 1 is equal to minus x minus 3y plus z, clear? So 1 minus x value 1 minus 3 y value minus 1 plus z, so 1 is equal to minus 1 plus 3 plus z, so 1 2, correct? Okay, correct or not? Plus z, so z is equal to, clear? Yes or no? So x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 1, z is equal to minus 1. Which option is correct? First option, clear? That's if the dimension of the physical quantity R is given by this, the physical quantity will be very simple. Answer is given. We must check one by one. This is one method. First given the values of A, B, C in pressure and in velocity and in acceleration and force. We check one by one first. First, pressure. What is pressure? Force by area, no? Therefore, what is force? Unit for this? Kilogram, meter per second square. For area, meter square. Clear? So, kilogram. Force, pressure is equal to force by area. And that. For force, F is equal to ma. M means mass. A acceleration, okay, limit. Area, unit for this, meter square. So, kilogram. Meter square here 1 m power minus 2 s power minus 2 and kilogram m power minus 1 s power minus 2. Dimensional formula for this pressure m l power minus 1 t power minus 2 pressure. Okay. Now comparing with the MLT, no, MLT. M L power minus 1 T power minus 2 here given. MLT, its powers A, B, C respectively. So M L T powers A, B, C respectively. Compare. After comparing, we get very simple. R M means M power 1, L power minus 1, T power minus 2 is equal to M power A, L power B, T power C. Comparing the powers of MLT on both sides. Clear? So A is equal to 1, correct? And L and L. B is equal to minus 1, correct? Then for C is equal to minus 2. So for pressure, A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 1, C is equal to minus 2. Directly gets for first option, correct? So option is 1A. Like this, we can check for another 3 options also. Okay, but here no need. We can check. Okay, try yourself. For velocity, try yourself for velocity. For velocity, V is equal to dimensional formula for this. And cut down. Clear? So R m power 0, L power 1, T power minus 1. So m power 0, L power 1, T power minus 1 is equal to m power A, L power B, T power C. So A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1, C is equal to minus 1. But here given A is equal to 1, B are right. Not matching, correct? Correct? So this is wrong. You can check acceleration and force also. So here correct option is A. First option. A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 1, C is equal to minus 2. Okay. Third, the force caps F on a sphere of radius R moving in a medium with velocity V. The velocity V is given by F is equal to 6 pi eta RV. What is this? Remember about this? Stokes theorem. According to Stokes theorem. Already discussed about this. According to Stokes theorem, viscous force acting on the metal ball when moving in a liquid. F is equal to 6 pi eta AV or RV. Terminal velocity. Remember? Coefficient of viscosity. Constant radius of the ball. That's all. 6 by eta b or 6 by r. 6 by eta rb or 6 by eta ab. No problem. So force F is equal to 6 by eta rb. The dimension of eta is equal to, very simple. F is equal to the viscous force. F is equal to 6 by this constant eta rb or ab. No problem. Not about the velocity, it's a radius r. With the constant velocity, that is called terminal velocity. No need this, just keep looking at 6 by eta ab, that's all. So r rb. So F is equal to 6 by eta rb. Here asking dimension of eta. So eta is equal to F by 6 by rb. Clear? Therefore eta is equal to F by 6 by rb. This is another constant, leave it, no problem. For F unit or formula, F is equal to MA. So unit kilogram meter per second square. Leave it, this is constant. For R, meter. For velocity, meter per second. Correct? So kilogram cancelled. So m power minus 1, s power minus 1. Clear? So dimensional formula for this, m. Meter, no, what is meter? Unit of length. So its dimensional formula here, over 1. So option m L power minus 1, T power minus 1, or m power 1, no problem. So option is last option, fourth option. Clear? An equation is given as T plus A by B square is equal to B into theta by B, where B pressure, B volume, and theta absolute temperature. If A and B are the constant, okay, then dimensions of A will be that of small a. Where is present small a? Here. What is the formula according to homogeneity principle? Dimensions of all terms should be same. So already told you, we can equate P is equal to A by B square. Very simple method. All are very, very important. Already asked this, all questions asked in previous examination. Okay, so listen properly. P is equal to A by B square. Fourth one, P is equal to A by B square. Here A means one of the constant. Here asking the dimension of A will be, that's all. So A is equal to P V square, or A is equal to P V square. What is P? Pressure. B, volume. Okay. Dimensional form of a pressure, how will you write? E is equal to force by area. Unit for this, meter per second square. Unit for area, meter square. Therefore, kilogram, m power minus 1, s power minus 2. Correct? So, dimensional formula for this, m, l power minus 1, t power minus 2. Therefore, m, l power minus 1, t power minus 2. What is mean by B? Volume. Therefore, volume means L into B into H. Unit for this, meter cube. Dimensional formula, L cube. Therefore, L cube whole power 2. Clear? So, A is equal to m L power minus 1, T power minus 2. Here L power 6. Clear? So, m L power 5, T power minus 2. Okay? This is the dimensional formula for A. Where is present this? Okay. First option. In a particular system, what is particular system? System of units. Any one system of units, maybe CGS or MKS or MS, no problem. Particular system. The unit of length, mass and time are chosen to be 10 centimeter, 10 gram and 0.1 second. So 10 centimeter means for length, no. This is for mass, for time. Respectively, the unit of force in this system will be equivalent to, listen here, what is 0.1 Newton, what is 1 Newton, what is 10 Newton, what is 100 Newton? Unit of limit values. But N means Newton, no. Unit of force in MKS or SI. So, first we should be right the formula for force MA and dimensional formula also. F is equal to ML T power minus 2. And correct or not? And the given value for M, how much? 10 gram. For L, 10 centimeter. For time, 0.1 second, whole power minus 2, correct? So this value, very very important this. We must convert into MKS system. MKS, meter, kilogram, second. We must convert into, change it into MKS system. So, F is equal to M L e power minus 2. MKS system means 10 gram means, come on tell me, into MKS, 10 into 1 gram, no, 1 gram is equal to 10 into 10 power minus 3 kilogram, correct? Because of 1 gram is equal to 10 power minus 3 kilogram. How? 1000 gram is equal to 1 gram kilogram, no. 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 or 10 power minus 3 kilogram. So 10 into 10 power minus 3 kilogram. 10 into centimeter into 10 power minus 2 meter, no. So 10 power minus 2 meter and 0.1 second 1 power minus 2. Because of for time, unit for time, second in all the system of units, no. So leave it, no problem. Now 10 power minus 2 kilogram, correct? Yes or no? And 10 power minus 1 meter and 0.1 second or 0.1 10 power minus 1 second 2 power minus 2, correct? Or 1 into 10 power minus 1. Then powers, that is important, no? It is powers 1, no? 1 minus 2. So 1 okay, minus 2, clear. So power 1, again power 1, and this is already power minus 2 unit. No need written power 1. Understood. So 10 power minus 2 kilogram, 10 power minus 1 meter, 10 power 2 s power minus 2, clear? Because of minus and minus plus the s power minus 2. Now 10 power minus 2, 10 power minus 1, 10 power 2, only units, kilogram, meter per second square. Clear? Now F is equal to 10 power minus 2, 10 power minus 1, 10 power 2 kilogram meter per second square. Cancel now. You can cancel directly. Remaining 10 power minus 1 kilogram meter per second square. Or F is equal to MA, unit kilogram, unit meter per second square, or it is equal to Newton. That's all. Okay. Or 1 into 10 power minus 1 Newton, or we can write it as 0.1 Newton. Correct? That's all. Question number 6. The frequency of vibrations of a mass small m suspended from a spring of a spring constant K is given by a relation of type F is equal to C m power s k power y. Here C is equal to constant. That means no dimension for this. Leave it. That is a dimensionless constant. The value of x and y are. That's all. Very simple method. Okay. Question number 6. What is the given equation? F is equal to C m power x k power y. C is equal to no dimension, leave it. This one of constant. So F is equal to, we can write now x k power y. Here we want to calculate the values of x and y. How? Very simple method. First we must write the dimensional formula for F, m and k. What is F? Frequency. M mass. K spring constant. Already we have discussed about this in oscillations. Combinations of springs, series and parallel like this. This is a rigid support. This is what mass. See to be a question. This is m. Right hanging. Just oscillates this. Okay. So what is will be frequency? Number of oscillations or waves per 1 second. Like this. Oscillates. So F is equal to 1 by T, or F is equal to 1 unit for this 1 by S or S inverse. So the dimensional form of a frequency T power minus 1. Clear? So T power minus 1 for m mass now. So m power s. For k, restoring force set up in the spring. I am correct or not? So F is equal to kx. K means here spring constant. We can written as F by x. Okay. So formula for F, MA. So unit kilogram meter per second square. X means the displacement from the given position. So mm cancel. So kg s power minus 2 for k. So for kg, dimensional formula for k, m for second t power minus 2 whole power y. Clear? M. Okay. Now this time we can write m power 0, l power 0, t power minus 1 is equal to m power x, m power y, t power minus 2. Clear? So m power 0, l power 0, t power minus 1, m power x plus y, t power minus 2. Okay. Comparing. Here L, leave it, no problem. Comparing m value. So 0 is equal to x plus y, no problem. At the same time, t and t. Minus 1 is equal to minus 2y. So minus minus cancel. Y is equal to 1 by 2. Clear? And x plus y is equal to 0, no? Therefore, x plus y is equal to 0. X plus y value 1 by 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 1 by 2. So option is y is equal to 1 by 2, x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay. X is equal to minus 1 by 2, y is equal to 1 by 2. Fourth option. Clear? That's all. X is equal to minus 1 by 2, y is equal to 1 by 2. Clear? Seventh one. Very simple this. If x is equal to at plus bt square, where x is the distance travelled by the body in kilometer, while t is the time in seconds, then unit of b. Okay, here taking this equation. Seventh, x is equal to at plus bt square. Here asking unit of b according to principle of homogeneity. We can equate x is equal to bt square. I'm going to not, because here asking unit of b. So b is equal to x by t square. What is x? What is x? Distance travelled in kilometer. So km. T means time, no. So second per square. So b is equal to kilometer per second square. That is the unit for b, small b. So which option is correct? Option C is the correct. One of the combinations from the fundamental physical constant hc by g, another constant. The unit of expression is, that means unit of hc by g. What will be the unit of this expression? All are here constant. Am I correct? Planck's constant. See, velocity of the light, constant in vacuum, RR vacuum. 3 into 10 power minus 8 meter per second, not minus 8. G, universal gravitational constant, 6.6 into 10 power minus 11 something. Okay, all are constant. What will be unit of this constant? Okay, hc by g. Very simple this. H, Planck's constant, no, general formula is equal to h nu. H is equal to E by nu. Clear? C, velocity. So meter per second, correct? Unit. G, universal gravitational constant. F is equal to G m1 m2 by b square. G is equal to f b square by m1 m2. So Newton meter square per kilogram. Okay. C, okay, unit okay. G, or G is equal to Newton meter square kilogram per minus 2. Okay. How do you write the unit for H? Energy per frequency, no? Energy is equal to work done, correct or not? Energy is equal to work done. So, frequency. Work done is equal to, because of here given, see here, left side. Question number 8. Kilogram, meter, second and meter. Okay. So we must convert into SI unit, MK system. Okay. So therefore, work done is equal to Fs, the frequency. Okay. For F, MA no. For F, MA no. So kilogram, meter per second square. What is S? Displacement. So meter. What is frequency? Nu is equal to 1 by T. So second inverse no for frequency unit. So second inverse or kilogram meter square S power minus 1. Clear? This is for H. Okay. So for H, this is the unit. For C, this is the unit. For G, this is the unit. So this equation number 1, 2, those three equations 1, 2, 3 substitute in this formula. For H, kilogram meter square second inverse. For C, meter per second. For G, Newton meter square, Newton meter square. Oh wait, at the same time, Newton meter square per kilogram square. Newton means a unit of force. No, we must again convert it into base units. Am I correct or not? Therefore, G is equal to, for Newton force no, so kilogram per second square, meter square, kilogram per minus 2, so kilogram 3 S per minus 2 kilogram. Okay, clear? Now substitute. This is the, let us consider this is the equation number 3. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. So for G, kilogram meter power 3 is power minus 2 and a kilogram power minus 2. Okay, come on, try yourself. Come on. kg cancel, very simple, but way is very lengthy. I am correct or not? kg cancel. M power 2, M power 1, so M power 3 cancel. S power minus 1, S power minus 1, so S power minus 2 cancel. That's all. So, correct? Therefore, okay? Kilograms. That is the unit of HC by G. That's all. But what is the reason for asking this type of question in the examination? This is previous examination question. Because of a lot of students done mistake, careless mistake. I am correct or not? So to checking the, that means what is the motivation of the NEET examination, like this type of question. To check the, come on, tell me, carelessness or carefulness? So while writing the examination, very simple no, but while writing this type of question, while attend this type of question, you must don't attend directly. I am correct or not? You write the unit for this type of constant one by one. After the correct getting the correct units for constant, then only you can apply this all these units in general equation. Now only gets the correct answer. Am I correct or not? That's all. So Hc by G, it is equal to kilogram square. That's all. Clear? Okay. So option is first. Okay. That's all. Kilogram square. Shall we go to next one? Come on, try yourself. Very simple this. This velocity of a particle V at an interval t is given by V is equal to at plus bt square. The dimension of B is. Okay. Very simple this. Where is present B? Here. According to homogeneity principle. I am correct or not? We can equate V is equal to bt square. So we can write V is equal to bt square. V is equal to bt square. Here asking dimension of B. So B is equal to V by t square. V velocity no. So dimension of this by t time no. So t caps t. This is the dimension for time for square. So L t power minus 3. Correct? Very simple. Option is fourth option, L t power minus 3. Okay? Then clear this? Ninth one. Okay? Now read properly this question. Very important this. The density of a material in CGS system of unit is 4 gram per centimeter cube. In a system of unit in which the unit of length is here given 10 centimeter and the unit of mass is 100 gram, then the value of density of a material is, according to again principle of homogeneity. Already discussed about this. Let us consider Q is the one of the quantity. It is depends upon Q1, Q2, Q3, another quantities. You can write Q is equal to K, that is one of the constant, no dimension for this. So Q is equal to K, Q1 power small a, Q2 power small b, Q3 power small c, like this. That's very simple. And general formula N1 of MLT, that means M1 L1 T1 its power ABC respectively is equal to N2 of MLT, M2 L2 T2 its powers ABC respectively. That's all very simple. Like this we can solve it. Very simple. Okay. That's all. Okay. Formula N1 of M1 L1 T1 or ABC is equal to N2 M2 L2 T2 its powers ABC respectively. Here we want to calculate. Let us consider this value N1. I am correct or not? Very simple. N1. We want to calculate N2 value. Okay. So you can write directly. N2 is equal to N1 of M1 by M2 whole power small a, L1 by L2 its powers b, and T1 by T2 its power c. Clear? Okay. Then here we want to calculate N2 value with the help of N1 and also the powers ABC. How do you find out the values for powers ABC? With the help of dimensional formula. Before that, we must write M1 is equal to L1 is equal to T1 is equal to, what is M1? In CGS, no. Correct? One second. But MLT, that means M2 L2 T. M2 L2 T2. What is M2? Come on, read. 100 gram. Clear? L2 10 centimeter. What will be T2? Again, 1 second. Clear? M2 how much? 100 gram. L2 10 centimeter. 1 second. T2. Okay. Okay. M1, M2 and L1, L2, T1, T2. Okay. No problem. How do you find out ADC value? Powers. Therefore, dimensional formula. The dimensional formula means here taking density. Density is equal to mass by volume, no? So mass is unit kilogram. L into B into H, length into breadth into height, that is equal to volume. So meter cube, correct? Therefore kilogram per meter cube. So dimensional formula for this M meter, so L power minus 3. I'm correct or not? From this M L T, T means a T power, here it is equal to, here no T value, so that means a T, absence T here, therefore T power 0. Clear? That's all. Is equal to M L T, its powers A, B, C respectively. From this A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 3, C is equal to 0. Clear? That's all. Now N2 is equal to N1, how much? 4. And M1 by M2, what is M1? 1 gram. M2 100 gram. Power 1. Because of A is equal to 1. So A is equal to 1. Therefore, and L1 1 centimeter. L2 10 centimeter. Power B. B value minus 3. And T1 by T2, that means 1 second and 1 second per 0, cancel, limit, no problem. So 4 gram cancel, 1 by 100 power 1, centimeter cancel, 10 power 1 by 10 minus 3. So 4 into 10 power minus 2, correct? 1 and 10 power minus 1 whole power minus 3. So 4 into 10 power minus 2, I am correct or not? Into 10 power plus 3. Clear? Now 4 into 10 power 1. That's all. So it is equal to 4. Okay. So option is third option C. Clear? This density in the C. 40. Unit understood, no problem. So the density of a material in CGS system of unit is 4 gram per centimeter cube. It is considered N1. In a system of unit in which the unit of length is 10 centimeter, unit of mass is 100 gram, then the value of density of material is 40. Okay.